Hi, my name is Dima and I'm a part of Yeagers project. At Yeagers, we build useful tools for traders that actually work, that actually help you get better results, reduce stress, and reduce the amount of time that you need to spend on trading. So let's talk about the platform a little bit more. You can dive in here. Here we have our dashboard. If you guys haven't signed up yet, it's basically Yeagers.tech. You click login, sign up, and you're done. It's free unless you want to increase the limits amount of traders, AI traders that you connect. Otherwise, just enjoy it as much as you wish. This is one of our test accounts, and we have a lot of agents connected here already. So let's just go and connect a new one. Let's select one for paper trading, start scrolling, and select the one that we want to connect. How about this one? Once you're trying to connect the agent, you're faced with this interface where you're basically selecting the main settings. And the two base settings, the standard settings that we have, is you decide on how much you want this agent to trade. So how much USDT do you want it to use? Let's set it at 100 USDT. It will not be able to use more than that amount. And the second setting that you select is deactivate if lost, meaning if the agent dips a certain amount or loses a certain amount, it will deactivate itself entirely. Let's set it at 25. So if, let's say, it's trading, it loses 25, then automatic deactivation. So this covers our standard main settings, and then we can go into advanced settings. This is where you can really tweak the behavior of the agent you're connecting. The first thing that you can select and edit is the max amount of open trades that the agent can have. Meaning each agent can sometimes open just one trade and kind of hold it and manage it, and sometimes it wants to open more than one. So 1 hour it opens one, next hour it opens another one, and up to what amount you would like the agent to open. So up to 9 trades, 10 trades, or maybe you want to only do one trade at a time. It is completely up to you. I will set it at 4. Now when it comes to leverage, leverage is basically the extra risk you're taking on each position the agent is opening. Let's say your agent is trading 10 USDT per trade and your leverage is at 5. That means that your 10 USDT position becomes 50 USDT, and whatever profits you earn on 50 USDT are yours, and whatever losses you incur on 50 USDT are also yours. So it amplifies both risk and potential profit. You can set it to 1, meaning there will be no leverage, or you can set it up to 5 for the agents that we have. Let's set it to 1, let's not have any leverage. Next setting is stop loss and trailing stop loss. So these are one of the two mechanisms through which the agent will be regulating its performance. So how it's going to be moving the stop loss to not lose or to take profit. We consider stop loss here not just as stopping the actual loss when you're incurring a loss, but also the stop loss order that acts as a take profit order. Let's say if you start a position and you enter at $100 price and then it's at 150, your stop loss will be at around 120. It means you're at profit at your stop loss level, even though it's still called a stop loss level. Yeah, you can deactivate them if you want, or leave them in. This will change the behavior of your agent, making it a bit more risky in my opinion, but hey, some people would like for the agents to run a little bit wilder, and that's going to be completely up to you. You stay in complete control. Then the next setting we have is reinvest. That means that if the agent is earning or losing, it will use more or less total USDT. Let's say you first give your agent 100 USDT and then it trades, and then it earns another 20 USDT, so its total capital is 120. If this one is toggled off, then it will not use 120, it will still use 100, your original setting. But if it's on, then it will use the entire 120. And then this setting basically deactivates this auto deactivation. So if you don't want to set auto deactivation for the agent, you just want to ride up and down and no risk settings, you can also deactivate that. Once you're happy with your settings, you just click paper trading or live trading if you're connecting a live agent, and it will connect. All right, this was that easy. There are no more settings to tweak. This is all you have and all you can do with the agent. It's extremely simple, extremely intuitive. You have your risk levels and you have your capital levels, and that's pretty much that you need to set for the agent. But now at least you have a little bit better understanding of what each of those means. So once you become a little bit more accustomed to the platform and you're a better personal couch hedge fund manager, you can connect agents with tweaked settings and see how they perform versus agents with regular settings. And this will allow you to kind of have more freedom in how you select and manage your entire portfolio of AI agents. What else? So at the end of each video, I basically also want to give you a bit of information about us and what we do. Here we're really trying to make it a community-built platform, so we're building it by traders for traders. So we really do want your input on what is next to build, what features to include, maybe new APIs, whatever it is. We're a small team, so we do respond actually to everything that comes in. Any emails, any messages. If you do have a proposition for a feature, you do have a proposition for what you are missing on the platform, you just drop an email to support@yeagers.tech and we will respond, and we will very, very likely build that feature, unless you ask us to build something dumb. That doesn't really make sense to have on the platform. Additionally, if you would like to have more freedom on paper trading, so if you would like to test more agents versus 5 on the regular account, also just really drop us a message to support and we will increase your limit. Just make sure that you're using the same email from which you write to us as your registered account, so that we can quickly find you and just upgrade your paper trading limits. Additionally, at the end of each of these videos, I'm giving a 50% coupon code, but it's only available for 5 people. So 5 first ones can activate the coupon code and get whatever yearly or monthly plan, whatever suits your needs. And on that note, that's it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.